Welcome, Excel enthusiasts! Today we are diving into the world of data transformation and analysis with a powerful tool, Power Query. Power Query, also known as Get and Transform Data in Excel, is a game changer in the realm of data manipulation. But where did it came from? Let's take a quick trip down the memory lane. In the early 2010s, Microsoft recognized the growing need for users to effortlessly connect, transform, and shape their data within Excel. Enter Power Query, initially introduced as a separate add-on. The success and popularity of the Power Query led Microsoft to integrate it seamlessly into Excel 2016 and later versions. Now, users can access this powerful tool right from the ribbon. What sets Power Query apart? It's all about simplifying the data transformation process. No more wrestling with complex formulas or spending hours manually cleaning data. Power Query provides an intuitive interface to refine and shape your data with just a few clicks. Whether you're dealing with large data sets, combining information from multiple sources, or cleaning up messy data, Power Query is your go-to solution. But wait, there's more. Power Query isn't limited to Excel alone. It's part of the Microsoft Power BI suite, ensuring a seamless experience when transitioning from Excel to more advanced data analytics platforms. So whether you're a data novice or a seasoned analyst, Power Query empowers you to unlock the true potential of your data. Stay tuned as we explore its features and functionalities in the next reporters. That wraps up for our introduction to Power Query. Remember, the key to unlocking insight lies in transforming your data efficiently, and Power Query is here to make that journey a breeze. Until next time, happy querying!
What is the history of Power Query? Power Query was included as an additional feature in Power Pivot, used for making pivot tables and more, in Excel 2010 and 2013. Power Query has its roots in a Microsoft research project called Project Gemini, which aimed to enhance data analysis and manipulation capabilities in Excel. In 2016, the function was renamed Get and Transform for a short time, but since then has been named Power Query again.
So the next thing that we're going to tackle is about the role of the Power Query. So the first role of the Power Query is the transformation. So in transformation in Power Query, it is the function that can be used through the graphical interface of the Power Query editor. These functions can be as simple as removing a column or filtering rows, or as common as using the first row as a table header. There are also an advanced transformation options such as merge, append, group by, pivot, and unpivot. So all these functions are made possible by choosing the transformation options in the menu and then applying the option required for that transformation. So data flows. As we all know that Power Query can be used in many products such as Power BI and Excel. However, using Power Query within a product limits its usage only to that specific product. And data flows are a product agnostic service version of the Power Query experience that runs in the cloud. So using this data flow, you can get data and transform data in the same way, but instead of sending the output to the Power BI or Excel, you can store the output in the other storage options such as Dataverse or Azure Lake Storage. In this way, you can use the output of data flows in other products and services. And lastly is the Power Query M formula language. So in this data transformation scenario, there are some transformations that can be done in the best way by using the graphical editor. Some of these transformations might require special configurations and settings that the graphical interface doesn't currently support. The Power Query engine uses a scripting language behind the scene for all Power Query transformations, and this is known as the Power Query M formula language, or known as M. So, M language is the data transformation language of Power Query. Anything that happens in the query is ultimately written in M. If you want to do advanced transformations using the Power Query engine, you can use the advanced editor to access the script of the query and modify it as you want. If you find that the user interface functions and transformations won't perform the exact changes you need, use the advanced editor and the M language to fine-tune your functions and transformation.
Uses. Power Query is an ETL tool created by Microsoft for data extraction, loading, and transformation, and is used to retrieve data from sources, process it, and load them into one or more target system. Uses of Power Query also include number 1, data import. Import data from various sources such as Excel files, CSV files, database online sources, and more into your workbook. Number 2, data cleaning. Cleanse and transform raw data by handling missing values, removing duplicates, and correcting error, ensuring data accuracy. Number 3, data transformation. Perform complex transformation on the data, including splitting columns, merging tables, and converting data types to make it suitable for analysis. Number 4, data merging and uploading. Combine data from multiple sources by merging tables or uploading rows, facilitating the integration of diverse datasets. Number 5, data aggregation. Aggregate and summarize data by grouping, calculating totals, average, or other statistical measures to derive meaningful insight. Number 6, data filtering and sorting. Easily filter and sort data to focus on specific subsets that are relevant to your analysis. Number 7, handling unstructured data. Import and organize unstructured data such as text or JSON into a structured format for analysis. Number 8, data pivot and unpivot. Pivot data to reorganize it for better analysis or unpivot it to transfer it into a more normalized form. Number 9, parameterize queries. So use parameters to create dynamic queries, allowing you to easily adjust input or criteria without manually modifying the query. Number 10, automating data refresh. Set up automatic data refresh to keep your analysis up to date with the latest information from the data source. Number 11, data connection and query folding. Establish connection to various data sources and in some cases leverage query folding to push part of the data transformation process back to the source for improved performance. Number 12, data profiling. Utilize Power Query data profiling feature to gain insight into the structure and quality of your data. And lastly, number 13, custom formulas M language. Write custom formulas using the M language to perform advanced transformation beyond the capabilities of the user interface. That's all.
Hello everyone, I am Oliver de la Cruz de Serra and today we're gonna talk about the benefits of using Microsoft Power Query. Understanding and using Microsoft Power Query offers several benefits that includes the following. Number 1. Data transformation. Power Query allows you to transform and shape data from various sources into a usable format. This helps in cleaning, merging, restructuring data for analysis. Number 2. Data connection. It provides seamless connectivity to a wide range of data sources, including databases, Excel files, web pages, and more. This enables easy integration of data from diverse origins. Number 3. Automation. Power Query supports the creation of reusable data transformation steps, enabling automation of repetitive tasks. This saves time and ensures consistency in data processing. Number 4. User-friendly interface. The graphical user interface of Power Query is intuitive, making it accessible for users without intensive coding skills. This democratizes data processing and analysis tasks. Number 5. Data profiling. Power Query includes features for data profiling, allowing users to understand the structure and quality of their data before performing any transformations. This helps in identifying issues early in the process. Number 6. Data cleansing. The tool provides a range of functions for cleaning and transforming data, such as removing duplicates, handling errors, and filing missing values. This contributes to improved data quality. Number 7. Query folding. Power Query supports query folding where applicable, which means it pushes certain transformations back to the data sources. This can significantly improve performance by minimizing data transferred for processing. Number 8. Easily repeatable steps. Power Query enables the recording and playback of transformation steps, making it easy to reproduce analysis or update data with new information. Mastering Microsoft Power Query empowers users to efficiently handle data preparation and enhances the overall data analysis process.